You see him? Man, ain't nobody even out here. Hey, who is that?
It ain't them niggas that act hard. It's the
Oh, shit!
So say you had your car for about 10 years and you had some lock nuts on it for a long time, since the beginning. You've had the tires changed, you've had them rotated. Eventually, these cheap little guys, the key will wear out and break. You're not going to be able to get it on there, take them off. I suppose this guy is optional here. You want a breaker bar just so you can brake. You want the torque wrench to torque. You want a BFH. I'm going to use a punch today. You want the 21 socket, that's actually to put the lug nuts on. And then you want a 22 socket, and I'll show you that trick here as we get into it. Grab a couple of these 19mm 12 spline sockets. Gotta have the 12 spline, can't have the 6. And this is what we're going to use to grab onto the lock nuts. You've already tried the key, and the key is not going to work. Let's grab the 19, let's grab our BFH. And what we're going to do is slide the 19 on and hammer her on there. You want to hammer her on there pretty good, or else your breaker bar might not be able to get a hold of it. We're going to try to ease this guy off so as to keep the hammered on socket attached to the lock nut. Yeah, I feel like she might have been coming. We'll see here in a second if she's actually coming. I feel like she is. And there we go. I'm going to be able to fit my 22 socket over this and connect with the 19. This is going to be crucial so you can reuse the same socket. So you might not need more than one 19, so long as you can fit a socket over it and punch her through. So I'm going to just give her a couple knocks and hope she comes out cooperatively. Wow. Okay then. Anyway, what you're going to see is where the 19 grabbed onto the socket. Get your 21 out. I'm going to just zip it on real quick. Assembly mode here, that's what the little circle is, so it's not going to torque this down very hard at all. Just make sure she's threading on. She is. Let's get her on there. I'm going to dial my torque wrench to about 84. There you go. It's been your drive-by for today.